Welcome to my Digital Solutions YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to partition an existing hard disk without formatting it or without deleting your file. First of all, I'm going to File Explorer. On your left side, this PC option is there. Now click on this PC and there I have got only three partitions here, three partitions of hard drives. So let's create another partition from this hard drive. Right click on this PC and go to manage. When you click on manage option, you will find a window like this. In this window, go to storage category and click on disk management. When you click disk management, the disk management options will be loaded. It will take few seconds. Yeah, now it's loaded here. Now I have got my partition drives here. System reserved mean with which we cannot do anything, but these are the hard drives that I can work with. So now I am going to partition my new volume here, that is with 292.97 GB. Out of this, I'm going to extract about 5 GB as another hard drive. So just right click on the drive which you have to shrink. Then go to shrink volume option here, click on shrink volume and it will load the shrink volume option. Now this window shows us the capacity of the disk in MBs. So the total size is 300,000 MBs, that is 292.97 GB. So now I need only 5 GB to be extracted from this device. So I am just giving here about 5000 MBs. That means I need about 5 GB to be extracted from this one. So I just entered 5 GB and I click shrink. So guys, now look at the window. There's another new volume has been created with free space, that is in green color. So now I'm going to right click on that particular disk. I click on it on the green part and now click on new simple volume. Then a wizard like this will be appeared. So click on next. Next you will be asked to assign a letter for your newly created hard drive. So you can choose any of the letter given there. I'm just leaving the letter as it is, that is G. So I don't want to change the letter, so I click next. I'm going to finish this with default settings, so I again click on next and finish here. Now a simple volume is created here. So this is my hard drive. Now go to your PC and click on new volume. Now I have got 4 partitions here. This is the one newly created for my PC.